Let's solve easy problem, merge to sorted list. So in this problem there are two lists given here. That's a linked list here. So there's a val and the next, and these are sorted. So this list is sorted, this list is sorted, and we need to find out, or we need to merge these two lists in such a way that both will be in a sorted order. So in this problem we'll just run a loop, and in a loop we'll check if this is not null and this is not null. So if it is like there is some more item here also, the loop will run till here 3. Like let's say there is one more item here, then the loop will run till these 3 items here, and then we'll check like the number is, this list number is less than this number. So if it is less, then we can put this in another list. So we'll create another list, and in another list we can put that item. Else otherwise, if it is less than or equal to, we put this item. If we put, like let's say if we put this item in another list, we can go to this place. We can just move here, and again we'll check from this item to this. If it is less, we can put that item in a new list, and then we'll move here. So that's a very simple logic, and then we just in one iteration we can put all this item there, and if there is an additional item later we can check if any list is not nil. If there is some item there, we just point to the new list over there, and in that way we can merge. So let's see the code. It's a very easy problem. So for I'll create one new list. So I'll say that new list, and this is the list node. So there is nothing, no item here, and we'll put the item, and then we'll move this the new list. So we'll put the item here, and then we'll move to the next node and next node. So but at the end we want to return new list head. So for that, just I want to put the same item here, new list head here, new list, and then there will be one loop. We'll say that list1 not equal to nil and list2 not equal to nil. So in both of case now we'll check if list1 dot this val less than list2 dot val. So in this case, if the list1 is less, then we can put this node, we can just link this node to the new list. So new list, in the new list in the beginning there is a 1 node and there is a 0 here. So then in that node, in the next value we can put the list1, and after putting this value in a new list, we can move to the pointer to this place, next node. Then list1 dot list1 is equal to list1 dot next. So that means, like let's say we move this item. So in this item, this is the next. So this next, the next, we are assigning this next value to list1. So that means this node will be the list1. So we'll move the pointer here, and also we put the item in a new list. So we create the new list, and in the next we put the item, then we need to move the pointer to the next node in the new list also. So new list is equal to new list dot next, and in else condition, copy paste this, and this is going to be list2. This is a list2. This is also list2. So if you see, if you take this example, so in this example we'll check like 1 is less than list2 1. No, it's not. Then you will come to this place, and then here new list next. So in a new list we'll add this node and we'll move to the list to pointer to this place, right? So in this way, and the new list also move to the next item. The next time again we'll check, with this item less than 3. Yes, this is less than 3. Then we'll add, logic comes here, and a new list next we can add this item and move pointer to here. So in this way we'll sort, and at the end after this for loop we will check like if there is any remaining item here or not, because this loop will run as long as this condition satisfy, where list not null and list not null. So if this is null and this is not null, then we'll stop here, and so this one item is remaining. So for that we can add the item if list1 not equal to nil, and put this logic here. And in the same way, if list2 not equal to nil, put it here, format the code, and at the end return this new list head dot next. Let's run it. Accepted, submitted. So yeah, that's the entire solution. And we can also see the Java solution I have written in the same way. So list node, and there is a new node, a new node head, and there's a while loop checking the same way, list1 value less than list2 value, and assign that a new node, and else portion, and again the last one here also. So that's all for now. Thank you.